Hello everybody, how's it going? My name is Mark, I'm from Noltex, aka Null Transaction, and today I will be giving you a quick update on the Bitcoin price and my opinion on why I think the price dropped so much. Now let's get right to it. I'm not going to waste any time. Right now the Bitcoin price is trading at $5,700, down about $1,000 in the past 24 to 48 hours. Now Nick here wrote a really nice article titled Bitcoin Price Watch Currency Falls to its Lowest Point in a Year. And in this article he reiterates two points that I completely agree with as to why the price might have dropped. Now, here he says there are several reasons given the price drop. The first is that very little new money is entering the marketplace. Now, we have had this 3-month-long sideways market trend that people were really on the fence about. Everybody was waiting for a break upwards. Unfortunately, it didn't happen. We obviously broke downwards. But during this sideways market, investors are obviously too scared to really, especially the big ones. They're not going to pull the trigger and go in, purchase Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency because of the possibility that it might go down. Trading at 6,500 is still relatively high compared to what it was just over a year ago. So it's a little understandable as to why there's not much support in the market. Now, as soon as the market started crashing, it was obvious that there's not a lot of stop losses. There's not a lot of those buy support orders. So that is the reason why the market, part of the reason as to why the market really crashed. Now, Nick Colley here, a market analyst at Daily Effects, comments, the speed with which cryptos crashed Wednesday indicated there is very little fresh money or buying interest in the market and that stop losses were limited in size. Now, that means that investors are pretty much a little bit afraid now, and there's no real new money entering the market. We had this ICO drama for the past 8 months. We have this really big bear market for the past 10 months. So it's just understandable that investors are a little bit on the fence entering the market. It's also a little bit sad because it is November, upcoming December, and usually these months are very strong for cryptocurrency. But that just proves my point where you shouldn't use previous data to predict future price movements. It's just, maybe history repeats itself, but I don't think cryptocurrency markets repeat themselves, okay? I don't think you can use that same logic to Bitcoin or even any stock charts. Anyway, the second point I want to talk about is the Bitcoin Cash drama. Now, I have a lot of people that are saying, oh my God, that has absolutely nothing to do with the Bitcoin price drop. Bitcoin Cash is its own thing. It has to do with the Bitcoin Cash price drop, but it has nothing to do with the whole cryptocurrency market falling. I disagree. I wholeheartedly disagree. So I wrote this article yesterday titled Crypto Markets Drop Significantly, blah, 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 BTC, ETH, BCH price down over 10%. Now, I revised the article since, but initially I wrote it with a point of view that the Coinbase announcement was part of the reason as to why the market crashed. Now, I had so many people disagree with me, roasted on Twitter in the comments section. Just take a look at this. Fake news. Not too sure about that. Are you serious? A lot of people disagree with me. I don't blame them because even I personally found that ridiculous. I didn't realize why is this BCH drama affecting the cryptocurrency market like this. But looking back at it, here's the fact. Coinbase released an announcement. Okay? Let's just take a look here. 10:32 p.m. November 13th. Coinbase releases an announcement that they're going to be halting Bitcoin BCH trading. Man, this is long to it. They're halting BCH trading and that they're revising their stance on the fork. So initially they said that they were going to support the fork, and now they're saying that they're going to wait until after the fork to actually do anything, and they're going to go ahead and halt anything. So just take a look here. It was released on November 13th, and here's November 13th. Everything looks nice and dandy, and a few hours later the market starts crashing. That is a fact. I mean, you can disagree with me all you want, but that is a fact. Coinbase is number one. I don't know if it's number one or number two, but it's one of the top 3 for sure cryptocurrencies companies in the world. I mean, it's definitely the number 1 cryptocurrency company in the US. And you're just saying that their announcement that they're halting BCH trading or they're changing their position on BCH has absolutely nothing to do with the market crash. I think that's a ridiculous point of view. So, obviously a lot of people disagree with me, and I don't blame them again, like I'm saying, but I think that the Coinbase announcement did have something to do with it, and we had a few other exchanges like OKEX. See, they released that on November 14th, a little bit later. They also announced that they're going to be halting BCH futures and contracts. So I feel like the BCH drama does have a lot to do with the cryptocurrency market drop. Now, Whoop-de-woo. We actually have someone that agrees with me. Oh my god. Marcus Swanpole. I'm sorry, Marcus, if I butchered your last name. My last name is Argenbaev, so I understand your pain. The co-founder and CEO of the cryptocurrency trading wallet Luno, he recently stated, this drop in the Bitcoin price is more than likely due to the upcoming hard fork scheduled by Bitcoin Cash. The Bitcoin Cash blockchain has been undergoing scheduled hard forks every 6 months to upgrade and improve the protocol. In most cases, these hard forks are uncontested, with the whole community supporting them. In this case, however, consensus couldn't be reached, with two factions emerging and proposing different solutions for the upgrade. Again, I personally don't care at all about Bitcoin Cash. I don't care about Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin ABC. It doesn't concern me. I really don't care. I don't hold any of that. I just don't care. At the end of the day, Bitcoin is the one that's worth $6,000. Bitcoin's market cap is the one that's almost $100 billion. I don't care. But unfortunately, the traders, especially after a 3-month long, sideways market, they will cling on to any little drama that they can in order to move the market. And it seems like maybe that's what happened, and they kind of maybe Bitcoin Cash drama didn't cause the market crash, but it definitely accelerated it and definitely intensified it. So that is my opinion. If you have your opinion, I'm more than happy to hear. Please leave it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. My name is Mark. I'm from Noltix, and I'll see you guys next time.